Introducing the Intermediate Tush Trainer. This is a soft and durable vibrating butt plug designed for those ready for anal exploration. The sturdy, tapered PVC probe with a designer twist and superior suction cut base has multi-speed vibrations. The Crystallescence plug is 3 1/4 inches long and 1.5 inches wide with a 2 4/10 inch wide suction cut base. The power pack is made of a durable plastic and has a decoration of the same material silver plated. It's easy to use. Just turn the side dial on the controller to the desired intensity of vibration. The controller uses 2 AA batteries in an easy load battery pack. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your tush trainer with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Isn't it about time you got some fun training from the bottom up? Stretch yourself to new limits with the Intermediate Tush Trainer.